Designer bags, are they worth it? When it comes to luxury fashion, few things spark curiosity like unboxing the most expensive designer bags. These iconic accessories, often carrying price tags that rival a new car, have become status symbols and investments. But the burning question remains, are they truly worth it? Let's dive into the world of opulence and functionality. The allure of designer bags. Designer bags like Hermès' Birkin, Chanel's classic flap, or Louis Vuitton's capucines are more than just accessories. They're works of art. Crafted from the finest materials, often hand-stitched, these bags represent unparalleled craftsmanship. Owning one isn't just about carrying your essentials, it's about carrying a legacy. For many, the allure lies in exclusivity. Brands like Hermès limit production, creating a scarcity that drives demand and consequently value. Owning a Birkin, for instance, can feel like joining an elite club. The unboxing experience. Unboxing a luxury bag is a sensory journey. The pristine packaging, the delicate dust bag, and the unveiling of buttery leather all add to the excitement. Each detail, from the logo-embossed tissue paper to the signature hardware, tells a story of meticulous design. This moment alone can make buyers feel their investment is justified. But beyond the aesthetic appeal, what about practicality? Does a $20,000 bag function better than a $200 one? Investment potential. Surprisingly, many high-end designer bags appreciate in value. The Hermès Birkin, for instance, has outperformed gold in terms of investment returns over the past decade. Limited editions or rare colors often sell for double or triple their original retail price on the resale market. This financial aspect is a significant factor for buyers who see these bags as assets rather than mere accessories. However, not all designer bags retain value equally, making it crucial to research before splurging. The cost of ownership. While the upfront cost is steep, the longevity of a designer bag can offset the expense. These bags are designed to last decades, with many owners passing them down as heirlooms. However, they require care, regular cleaning, proper storage, and sometimes professional maintenance. The cost of ownership isn't just monetary, it's also about commitment to preserving its pristine condition. For some, this responsibility adds to the bag's allure, while for others, it's a burden. Hash the verdict. Are they worth it? The answer depends on what you value. If you appreciate artistry, exclusivity, and potential financial returns, an expensive designer bag might be worth every penny. However, if you prioritize practicality and affordability, there are plenty of stylish alternatives. Ultimately, unboxing the most expensive designer bags is more than a purchase. It's an experience. It's about owning a piece of history, embracing a brand's legacy, and perhaps making a statement. Whether it's worth it or not depends on your perspective. But one thing's for sure, the fascination with these bags isn't fading anytime soon.